Building a website and waiting for customers to arrive is like opening a storefront in a deserted landscape. Without search engine rankings, your potential customers cannot find you, and that isolation makes it nearly impossible to grow your business. Today, we are going to fix that. We're going to take one single page and apply 7 specific SEO strategies to fully optimize it. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a checklist you can apply to every piece of content you create. To follow along, you need 2 things: an existing web page or blog post, and access to your website's content management system, or CMS backend. Simply inserting keywords no longer works. Search engines prioritize websites that solve user problems. We have to implement a holistic optimization strategy to outsmart your competitors and turn visitors into paying customers. Step 1 starts before you even edit the page. We have to analyze the user's mind and focus on their specific intent. When someone types a query into Google, they are trying to achieve one of 3 things. Informational intent means they want to learn. Transactional intent means they want to buy. Navigational intent means they are looking for a specific site. You must identify which intent your page serves. Create content that actively satisfies that need. Google rewards content that solves the searcher's problem, so focus on answering their questions clearly, rather than just repeating search terms. On the left is a broad target like SEO tips, which has massive competition. On the right is step 2, a long-tail keyword, SEO tips for small online businesses in 2026. These specific phrases are easier to rank for and attract targeted traffic. Right now, open a tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner. Find a specific long-tail phrase that matches your user's intent and write it down. Step 3 is depth. Short, shallow articles do not dominate search results anymore. Google favors comprehensive resources that anticipate and answer follow-up questions. Upgrade your content by breaking it into clear headings and subheadings. Add actionable insights, relevant statistics, and real-world case studies to prove your points. When you align precise long-tail targeting with deep problem-solving content, search engines recognize the value. Visitors spend more time on your page, bounce rates drop, and your site establishes authority in your niche. Step 4 moves us from content theory into the physical architecture of your webpage. Open up your website's backend. This split-screen mockup shows exactly where your long-tail keyword needs to go to signal relevance to search engines. On the backend editor, ensure your keyword is placed in the title tag, the meta description, your H1 and H2 headings, and the alt tags of your images. While you are in the editor, check your URL. Keep it short and descriptive, using hyphens to separate words. Step 5 broadens the scope from your isolated web page to how it interacts with the wider internet ecosystem through external authority. This flowchart illustrates the strategy of acquiring quality backlinks. When you partner with complementary businesses or authoritative sites, they place links on their pages that direct traffic back to yours. Search algorithms treat these external links as votes of confidence. By focusing on quality over quantity, you boost your domain authority and increase your referral traffic. Combining these structural on-page elements with external authority signals creates a foundation that search engines can both understand and trust. Step 6 covers technical user experience. Even the best content will fail if the site loads slowly or is difficult to read on a phone. Take a moment to compress all the image files on your page to reduce their sizes. Then review your plugins and remove any unnecessary scripts that might slow down your load times. Verify your responsive design layout. Your page must function flawlessly as it adapts to mobile devices, ensuring text remains readable and buttons remain clickable. Step 7 is the final touch: structured data. This is code added to your page that helps search engines accurately categorize specific details, like prices, event dates, or product reviews. This mockup shows the result of applying structured data. It generates rich snippets, visually upgrading your listing on the results page with elements like gold star ratings and FAQ dropdowns. By ensuring fast technical performance and securing this advanced visual space on the search page, you stand out from competitors and increase your click-through rates. You have now taken a standard web page and successfully transformed it into a fully optimized search engine-ready asset. You have satisfied user intent, perfected your on-page elements, built authority, and prioritized a fast technical user experience. SEO is more than a technical checklist. It is a foundational growth tool. By increasing your visibility and attracting qualified leads, you create the opportunity to scale your brand and increase your overall revenue. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more business growth strategies.